Me mugging it.
Hey guys, we're in the shop today.
You gonna let me get back here with you? Just gonna start without me?
No, we're gonna be putting seats in the old Dentside today. So
yeah, because Matt needs parts for his diesel, and I need parts for the 600. So
yeah,
we're waiting on parts. We're gonna jump back on this truck.
Yep, we're just going back and forth. But anyway, Barrett's fixing to beat the floor level because there's a hump. There's a little small hump in the floor.
Right in the way.
Right in the way, so he's gonna beat that out, and I'm gonna cut some angle iron to make brackets to mount seats. So here we go.
We'll start fabricating seats, or seat brackets, right?
Fixing to get noisy. I'm
oh yeah.
Cut material, so you can watch me.
Yeah.
Cut this out, and then we're going to bend this down, and we're going to do the same thing on this side. Bend it down so it'll make a 90 and a 90, and then we can set this in there, weld it down, and then drill holes and bolt seats to it. So easy peasy.
Let's see.
Not perfect, but we'll do some grindation on them.
Oh yeah. I mean, at least if we can tack this, take a few measurements, then I can start working on that while you're welding everything out.
Okay.
You know.
Well, so what I was thinking is
go ahead and weld the corners.
I'm gonna tack that. I'm gonna weld up the bracket.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna take the seat and I want to bolt the brackets to the seat, set it in, then we'll weld it. We'll tack it. We'll tack the brackets in, then I'll take the seat back out and weld it out. Does that make sense?
Yes, the one problem with that is the riv nuts. Are you gonna riv nut through that flat plate in the floor? If you're not, then we could put the riv nuts in the flat plate and just drill your holes big enough to set the riv nuts in there and then weld it out.
That's true, I didn't think about that. Well, it'd be easier to bolt those in to get your holes right out of the vehicle than in the vehicle.
Oh, for sure. So like that one, that's easy. We can bolt it to the seat, no problem.
Yeah, because it's up. Mm-hmm. That other one, wherever the riv nut goes, we're gonna have to punch a hole through the floor just to allow the riv nut to sit. This one goes to the back.
Oh, yeah. Wait a dang minute.
You just flip it over.
Oh, yeah, okay. So, that pin, you want to try and drill a hole for that, or just zip it off? I mean, once we bolt it up, you ain't like you can be pulling this out all the time. Ow, that's warm still.
Is it warm?
Yeah.
Can you cool it
It's
off?
okay in the middle. Yeah, now we're going to have to drill that hole.
Yep. Yep.
You give me a marker, I can just mark it for you, and
Well, we're gonna drill both of them, or what?
might as well.
All right, folks. Got a rib nut tool here.
Hang on.
It's got different,
Yeah, trying to get a good shot there. All
got
right.
different threads you can put in it. And then here's a rib nut. This is a 1/4 rib nut. So you put it on your tool, tighten it up, and then you drill your hole, put your rib nut through the hole, and then once you squeeze it, you run it down and squeeze it again. And it's there. Now that rib nut is captured in that piece of metal, and you can put bolts in it. Better on thin metal than like tapping, because a tap on thin metal won't do nothing.
Right.
But that'll hold for quite a while.
Yes, indeed. So now we're going to bolt that to this seat and then run the other one out and mark it.
Run the other one out, mark it, then,
Drill it and do another rib nut.
yep.
Is that a 1 inch or 3/4?
That one's a 3/4.
Probably going to need a 1 inch on this one.
Well, let's see.
Look at that. Seat's bolted in. Move it forward again. Ta-da! All right, so get in it and see if it's comfortable for you.
It's not horrible. Yeah, not bad.
Yeah, all right, sweet.
Cool.
The truck has a seat now.
One seat.
Now we gotta work on the other one.
Now we got
Dude, you're gonna have like 1.5 miles of room for a console.
Yeah, like a lot. Lots of console.
Heck yeah.
Big console. I can keep like nuts and bolts and all 4 shocks in there.
We're gonna put you in some cup holders.
We're definitely gonna build in some cup holders.
Heck yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's all right. Let's see. This is straight up sitting. don't really care for that.
Yeah.
Like, I wish I could be this far back.
Yeah.
And recline.
Yeah. I mean, we could take a Sawzall to the back of that seat and make it thinner.
We'll chop the cab in half and add me this much more room.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a seat in.
Heck yeah. Are you going to leave the headrests on it, you think?
I don't know, maybe. I kind of like them on there.
Oh.
You don't like them?
It's your truck. I don't give a dang what you do.
I don't know. We'll see. I'm not opposed to leaving them in there. Oh, dude, I didn't even think about this.
Yeah, you got armrests.
Man. Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, boy.
I like it.
Heck yeah.
Now you got to get out. We got to start taking some measurements.
All right.
So we can figure out how we want to set this other one to where it's roughly the same feel. Tell you what, did you get in and shut the door?
I did not. Oh, yeah. That ain't bad. Yeah, you're like this.
Well, you have the other armrest on the other side.
That's true.
That's not bad.
That's not bad. Yeah, you can hang an arm right there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, not bad at all.
And the vent windows. That's one of the best features Ford's ever had. I love the vent windows.
Yeah, I'm right in front of my steering wheel, which is where you want to be in the driver's seat.
They typically, yeah.
Right in front of it. Cool. All right. All right, let's take some measuring mints and
Yeah. So yeah, I think we go from the outside of the door to the bracket. And that's how far we put this bracket in.
well, let's go from like that trim piece.
Okay.
Let's go from that trim piece to the bracket, and yeah, that's how far we'll put the bracket in, and then
Yeah, because if you're comfortable in that door over there, that'll make you comfortable in this door over here.
right. Okay, sounds like a plan.
Marker's in the truck. I don't know where your soapstone is.
Okay.
What you working with?
No, I mean, like, if we do it that way, we can do like 4 3/4 inches,
Okay.
just straight up the
Yep.
4 3/4.
All right, do the back too.
Okay, tell you what, from the back, I'm gonna go 6 1/2 to this edge.
Okay.
So it's 4 3/4 from this edge.
Yep. All right.
4 3/4 and 6 1/2. 4 3/4. Right there. Okay.
All right.
Got your 2 marks.
Nice. You like it? Oh, yeah.
How's that? Fancy new black seats. Have a seat, brother.
Heck yeah. I want to come try out the passenger seat. You already tested it.
Try out the driver's seat.
So you already tested that one out. We know it.
I mean,
we know it works.
You hadn't sat down yet. Here. Get this out of there for you.
Oh yeah, that'd be a good idea. You want me to close your welding lead in the door?
I'd rather you didn't.
Fancy Dan black seats, brother.
How about that? How's that feel to you?
Oh, dude. There's nothing wrong with that.
How's that feel to you, huh?
Oh yeah.
Pull your arm rest up.
Oh yeah, the armrest. Well, get in here with me. Let's see how this thing rides. Dude. Yeah, you can put.
Oh yeah, pull this up just a hair. Crack this back. Oh yeah, I'm leaving.
We can put you a decent console in here.
Oh, yeah.
Like we can put a console in here and fit a little ice chest right here in the middle of it.
Yeah.
Like you open the lid and there's ice chest in there. That'd be cool.
So for the console.
Yeah.
So I want to come basically off of the dash here.
Yep.
Come down, maybe come down like 45
Uh-huh.
and then flat
Uh-huh.
and then come back up.
Okay. So you want an armrest height?
Yeah, I think so. So you can just,
Yeah.
you don't have to deal with them. You can just armrest it.
Okay.
Maybe.
Yeah. Well, you want to leave a little bit of room so you
Yeah.
can articulate your seatbelt.
Right.
But
I'm
yeah.
going.
Yeah, we need to bolt that back in there. Yeah, honestly, so. I mean, you could go real crazy and do it up here like the.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Are these staying or going?
No, we'll
Okay.
them.
Ah, why is that tied to your?
I think that's how he was starting it.
Really?
Yeah.
We're gonna not do that.
Right.
And that's Romex. Oh my goodness. Yep, that's gotta go. So the one thing is we'll need to steal one out one of the other trucks put in there.
Uh-huh.
But then that means that you can't go past that.
Yeah. Which is fine.
Yeah.
See, what I kind of want to do.
Come
so-
here. Look at there. Riding in comfort.
So what I want to take these out.
Yeah.
And I want to come down from here and here
Mm-hmm.
and have like a 45 panel
Yeah.
that I can put maybe 3
Gauges
gauges
in?
in
Yeah.
and maybe a couple of switches.
So you don't need it to be 4 inches
No,
maybe?
it doesn't have to be big. Mm-hmm. 4 inches or so, and then flatten it out, come on back, and then
Another 45.
another 45 coming up to whatever height we want, and then like a lid
Yeah.
we can fold back.
Heck yeah. I like it.
These things are sturdy too.
Oh yeah.
Fat boys can ride.
Not
in
going
this thing.
nowhere. Yeah. That's nice.
Yeah.
Oof, one thing to think about. So your shifters.
Yes. So I want the transmission shifter integrated into the console.
Yep.
So it's going to be on the flat part, and then this shifter is actually going to stick out the
Right.
side.
Yeah, it'll be right here on the side.
We can integrate it into the console as well. We'll just have to build a little deal that goes
A little
around
doghouse.
that the shifter will come up.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Okay. Yeah, dude, like There's nothing wrong with that at all.
Not bad, is it?
No. Yeah, that works.
Hey,
What?
look at this.
I already took all them out.
Oh, you got rid of
I
them?
did.
Oh.
You wanted them?
No, not really.
All right.
So now I got to buy some metal, and we'll get some. We'll frame out this.
Yeah. So your shifter.
Mm-hmm.
What kind of shifter are you gonna put there? I mean, it's automatic, right? So you're gonna put like a slap shifter or just a
T-handle shifter.
yeah, just a yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yep, I already got it sitting over there.
Oh, okay.
It's a cable operated, so it's easy.
Yeah. Yes, you can put it wherever you need to.
Yeah, we can mount it wherever we want, and then, you know.
I say after we 45 up,
Mm-hmm.
when we flatten off here, that's where we put a couple of cup holders, and then we can have right behind it. We can have your little door.
See, I don't think so.
No?
I think we do this panel, put the shifter to this side, and put 2 cup holders here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
But we'll look at it when we kind of box it out. There you go, seats installed.
Job well done.
I like it.
Heck yeah, man.
I'll buy some more metal, and we'll get to building a console here shortly.
Yeah. So, are we gonna redo the floorboards in this thing?
I mean, probably eventually.
I'm seeing through them in a lot of places.
Yeah, but I mean, that's weight reduction.
I mean, we can do some of them repairs Derek does, where you put the duct tape on this side and you put the spray foam on the bottom side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Multi-layered.
Or we just take license plates and
Yeah.
rivet them down.
Yeah, we can do that.
Just layer some license plates in there. Well, there you have it, folks. We got seats installed in the old gold Dentside.
Got seats put in her. So
All the things work. They slide up and back. They can recline, and they got armrests.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, that's the ticket. When you get it pulled forward a little bit and you're kicked back, the armrest is elevated.
Yeah, I mean, all right here.
There ain't nothing wrong with it. They're comfortable. They hold you in good.
Yeah.
That's all right, brother. Super cool. Thank you, guys. God bless. And remember, like and subscribe.